Hello students, we are studying lesson number 2, multiplication and division of integers. What are integers? All positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0. They are called as integers. And last year we have studied addition and subtraction of integers. So in the previous lecture we have done a revision of addition. What are the rules of addition? If both numbers have same sign, means both positive or both negative, then add the numbers and give that sign in the answer. Means both number are positive, then answer will be positive. Both numbers are negative, then answer will be negative. When? If there is addition. Then second rule is that if both numbers have different signs, means one positive, one negative, one positive, different signs. So subtract them and give the bigger digit sign. Okay, we have to do subtraction. Okay, भले ही क्वेश्चन एडिशन का है पर हमें क्या करना है, सब्ट्रैक्शन. वाई? बिकॉज बोथ नंबर्स हैव डिफरेंट साइन. So we have to perform subtraction and we have to give the bigger number sign. So here bigger number is 10. It is positive. That's why answer positive. Here bigger number is 4. It is negative. That's why answer is -1. And rules of subtraction. 4 rules I told you. Big number minus small number, positive answer. Small number minus big number, negative answer. Okay. Then alternate minus sign between numbers like this, minus number. So add them and give minus sign. In subtraction, only in this situation you will do addition. Okay, when there is alternate minus sign, at that time only you have to do addition. Otherwise, in all other cases you have to do subtraction. And here also, if two minus signs, they come together, okay, consecutively, there is no number between these minus sign, then this minus becomes plus, and this subtraction question is converted into addition question. Now in this addition, second rule, one is negative, one is positive, subtract them and give bigger number sign. Here also minus plus, 8 plus 3, 11. Here 0 minus 2. So answer will be -2. Okay. And minus plus. So 0 plus 2, answer will be 2. Now we are going to begin with multiplication of integers. Okay. So integers means we know now that all positive numbers, all negative numbers along with 0, they are called as group of integers, set of integers. And multiplication also we have seen in 3rd standard. What is multiplication? When we have to add same number again and again more than 2-3 times, at that time we use multiplication. When we have to add same number again and again, so it is very tedious to do addition again and again. So the short way is multiplication. Okay, for example, if I have to add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 4 times plus 3 5 times, so instead of doing addition, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, then plus 3. So instead of doing this, what we use? Multiplication. We multiply 3 by 5 because we have taken 3 5 times. And we know the table of 3. 3 5s are 15. So directly we can get the answer orally within seconds. Okay. So multiplication means addition of same number again and again. This much understood? Now we have to study multiplication of integers. In the previous classes we have studied multiplication of whole numbers, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit and 5-digit, and 6 and 7-digit also. So that were whole numbers. Now we have to study the multiplication of integers. Means there will be positive numbers also and negative numbers also. So for explaining this, they have given us some example. Okay. Mayuri's bicycle got punctured on the way back from school and she did not have enough money to get it repaired. She was coming from the school to home and her bicycle means cycle got punctured and she did not have money to get it repaired. Okay. So her friends Sushant, Snehal and Kalpana lent her 5 rupees each. Okay, each of her friend gave her 5 rupees. Lent means to give someone money for some time. Okay, udhari dena. Thus she borrowed 15 rupees altogether. Total 3 friends gave her 5 rupees means total she borrowed 15 rupees from her friends and got the bicycle repaired. Now we show borrowed money or a debt. Okay, borrowed money means what? It is called as debt. So debt is shown in mathematics by using a minus sign. Okay, debt is shown by using a minus sign. This we have studied in 6th standard only. Many examples of debt we have taken in 6th standard. So Mayuri had a debt of 15 rupees, or we can say that Mayuri has minus 15 rupees. Means she got 15 rupees from her friends, but that money is not hers. Okay, that money she has to return to her friends. So we have to say that she has 15 rupees, but we have to put a minus sign because those 15 rupees are not hers. They are her friend's money. Okay, now see here. 5 rupees she borrowed from Sushant, so minus 5. Again borrowed from Snehal, again minus 5. Again borrowed from Kalpana, minus 5. So total means addition of minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. Answer is minus 15. But when we add same number many times, so instead of addition we can perform multiplication. So minus 5 is added 3 times. So we can write minus 5 into 3. Okay. And 5 3s are 15 and 5 is minus. So answer will be also minus. So from this example what we can see that when we multiply a positive number and a negative number, answer is negative. Answer is negative. Okay. It is not necessary that bigger number sign we have to use. No. That concept was in subtraction. In multiplication, what is the rule? If one number is positive and one number is negative, answer will be negative. Okay. Of course, Mayuri paid back her debt the next day. Now, we have learned multiplication and division of whole numbers and we have made tables to carry out multiplication. For doing multiplication easily, we have learned multiplication tables also. Till 15 I think everyone has learned the tables. I hope so. Everyone's tables are learned till 15. Now we have to multiply integers. Means we have to multiply negative and positive numbers and 0 also. One more example they have given. Minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3. Means same number is added 4 times. So minus 3 plus minus 3 how much? Just now I told you the rules. It will be minus 6. Add them and give negative sign. This also minus 6. This plus sign. Then minus 6 plus minus 6 how much? Minus 12. 6 plus 6 12 and both are minus. So answer will be minus. In addition, when both numbers are negative, answer is also negative. Understood? In addition, if both numbers are negative, answer also negative. If both are positive, answer will be positive. These are the rules for addition. Now, instead of writing minus 3 4 times, what we can write? Minus 3 into 4. 4 times addition means into 4. Okay, so 3 4s are 12 and one number is minus, so answer also minus. Similarly, 5 6s are 30 and one number is minus, so answer also minus. 7 2s are 14, minus sign will come. 8 7s are 56, again minus sign will come. This much understood? One rule of multiplication. Now let us make the table of minus 4. Okay, we will write the table of minus 4. Minus 4 into 0, 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Minus 4 into 1, minus 4. 4 into 2, 8, minus sign. 4 3s are 12, minus sign. Means here, when we increase the multiplier, okay, these numbers are called as multiplier. Multiplier. Okay, this is the table of minus 4 and these numbers are the multiplier. Means the number by which we will multiply minus 4. These numbers are called as multiplier. So when we increase the multiplier, the product means the answer of multiplication, it decreases. Okay, minus 4 is greater than minus 8. Do you remember this? Minus 4 is greater than minus 8. Minus 8 is greater than minus 12. So when we increase multiplier, multiplier is increasing 0, 1, 2, 3. Then the product is decreasing. When multiplier is increasing, the product is decreasing. But if we multiply minus 4 by negative numbers, by negative multiplier, so when we increase the multiplier, the product decreases. And when we decrease the multiplier, the product increases. Okay. So like this we can make tables. Now here they have given us 3 tables of negative 5 and we have to complete the tables of negative 6 and negative 7. Okay. So observe here, 5 3s are 15, negative negative positive. In multiplication, if 2 negative numbers are there, then answer is positive. And in addition, if 2 negative numbers are there, then answer is negative. Don't get confused. In addition, both negative, answer negative. And in multiplication, both negative, answer positive. Okay, 5 2s are 10. 2 minus sign means positive. 5 1s are 5. 2 minus sign means answer is positive. 5 zeros are 0. Then 5 1s are 5. 1 negative sign means answer negative. 5 2s are 10. 1 negative sign means answer also negative, and so on. In the same way we have to write the table. Now 6 3s are 18 and both are negative, so answer is positive. 6 2s are 12. 6 1s are 6. Zeros are 0. Now 6 1s are 6 and 1 negative sign means answer also negative. 12 and negative. 18 and negative sign. 6 4s are 24 and negative sign. Understood? In multiplication, if both are negative numbers, answer will be positive. Both negative. Minus into minus plus. And minus into plus minus. Okay. 7 3s are 21. Positive. 7 2s are 14. Positive. 7 1s are 7. 7 zeros are 0. 7 1s are 7. But negative is there, so negative. Negative 7 into 2. Negative 14. Here negative 21 and here negative 28. Okay. So this is the table of negative 6 and negative 7. So understood the rules of multiplication. What are the rules of multiplication? If the product of two positive integers is a positive integer, means positive into positive, positive. Then product of one positive and one negative is negative. Means positive into negative, negative, negative into positive also negative. Means अगर दोनों में से कोई एक भी निगेटिव है तो आंसर भी आपका निगेटिव रहेगा. ओके, पॉजिटिव इंटू पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव, निगेटिव इंटू निगेटिव पॉजिटिव. ओके, एंड एक निगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव, आंसर विल बी निगेटिव. सो दिस 3 rules you have to remember. Okay, so we will now solve problem set 8. Problem set 8. This is your problem set 8. So first one, 5 sevens are 35 and both are negative, so answer is positive. Next, 9 6 are 54 and one negative one positive, means answer is negative. Next, 9 4 are 36, one negative sign means answer also negative. Next, 8 7 are 56, one negative sign means answer negative. Next, 124 into 1 124 and negative negative positive. Next, 12 sevens are 84, both negative means answer positive. Next, 63 into 7, it is 441. You can solve in your notebook. Both negative means answer will be positive. And last one, 15 sevens are 105 and answer will be negative because there is one negative sign. So understood the rules? Okay, once more I will repeat. Positive into positive positive, negative into negative positive, and one positive one negative means answer will be negative. And multiplication you have to perform in our regular manner. Understood? So this is the multiplication of integers. You have to write the practice set 8 in your notebook. Write the heading multiplication of integers, then write the heading practice set 8 and write down these 8 questions in your notebook. Then in the next lecture we will start division of integers. Okay, understood? Thank you.